Hello and welcome. My name is Mesha Komunga, and in this video I'll be discussing about reinforced concrete. Reinforced concrete is one of the principal materials which is used in construction, and it is basically a composite material, and this means it is made up of more than one type of construction material. So in this case, it is made up of reinforcing bars which are of steel type, and these reinforcing bars are placed inside concrete. Concrete on its own has a capability of handling high compressive forces or loads, but it has a low capability of handling tensile loads or forces. Therefore, when it comes to loading, the concrete will tend to fail under tension loads more quickly than compressive loads. Steel, on the other hand, has a capability of handling high tensile stresses or loads, but they will tend to fail when it comes to handling of compressive forces or loads, and steel usually fails through what is referred to as buckling when they are loaded with compressive stresses. So therefore, the composite material as a result of concrete and steel will tend to have a higher strength, both in terms of compressive strength and tensile strength. And the concrete also tends to provide protection to the steel reinforcing bars, and this protection is against agents of corrosion, and also to improve the fire resistance of the steel reinforcing bars. Steel is more expensive than concrete, and therefore when it comes to design of reinforced concrete structures, there is need to be economic in terms of the material which is produced, and this material should be strong both in tension and compression, but also be economic in terms of value. Reinforced concrete members are designed based on structural codes or design standards, and these design standards vary depending with different countries, and some of the major design standards are from the American Concrete Institute, which is for the United States of America, which is ACI 318 for concrete. We also have the British standards. We have the BS 8110 to be specific, which deals with the design of reinforced concrete. And a point to note is that the British standards have been withdrawn from use, though they can still be used to design structures, but the British Institute came up with the European codes, which are referred to as the Euro codes, which is currently in use. And in Kenya, we are still in the process of customizing the Euro codes so that we can be able to start using them. But currently, design of structures in Kenya are done based on the British standards. We also have the Indian standards, which are used in India. Reinforced concrete is used in many civil engineering applications, ranging from design of structural frames, foundations, retaining walls, water retaining structures, highways, and bridges.